question 6 is from Cindy in our truck build Q&A series. Black doors look perfect. Did you install any heating? And yes, Cindy, I do love my black back doors. I've got one open, one closed here at the moment. But as far as did we install any heating? Yes, we did. We put in a diesel heater which blows up through this vent here. It is uncapped at the moment. I've got to get a cap for the bottom of it. Lives under the dog dish. We're not using it, but blows a fair bit of heat up through there and in through the rest of the truck. It did already have the air conditioner in with the Pantech when we bought it, but heating we have put in the diesel heater, and the inverter will also run like a small fan heater, little electric fan heater, for about an hour and a half. Now, with the walls being so well insulated, that makes this area very toasty very quick as well.